Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 4th of November 2023 and I'm going to be making my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, we'll go over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll summarize my prediction for the week. But before getting into the video, it's important to make sure that the disclaimer is made that all information in this video is completely educational, and therefore it's important to conduct your own analysis before entering any position in the market to avoid unnecessary losses and risks. On that note, we can now begin this video. So for the monthly charts, we can see we had the month of July, August, and September as three spinning top high wave candles. And we can see this candle here is more of a shooting star, kind of a hammer kind of pattern. But this month, the last month, the month of October, was an extremely large-bodied candle. And we can see that it has a lot of bearish intent. And the volume was quite high it was higher compared to the last 3 months. However, relatively it's not that much, and we can see, but the price action shows how strong and how bearish this month was, because it broke three supports at 233, 227, and then reached this one at 217. However, we are in the start of the new month, but from the other months we can clearly see that the monthly forecast technically would be a bearish outlook, because the existence of this large bodied candle and the cross and the RSI just add so much to the bearish sentiment that we can see from the monthly charts. So let's head over to the weekly charts. And here we can see that the last 2 weeks ago, on this week of the 16th, we had the report come out, so we had extremely bearish movement. We can see it just crashed. And then we had a spinning top candle for the week of the 23rd. And then last week, the week of the 30th of October, we have an indecisive candle, however, a larger body than the previous one. We can see it broke the resistance. However, it went up and then closed back down before it could break 227.28. So, again, we do have a break in resistance, so we can see that there is some bullish sentiment this week. We can see that the RSI pulled up a little bit, but again, nothing significant from the weekly charts. So we are going to have to assume a large range again, and we have to keep the resistance of 227.28 this time, and we can keep the entry for a sell signal at the low, which is 194.07. Therefore, whichever position the market goes in, there's very likely that there won't be a whipsaw, since there is a large enough range, and there is a probability of an upwards movement, considering that other stocks have also moved up quite significantly because of data that came out. So there is a high possibility Tesla does the same. So we are going to be leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side this week. Finally, let's head to the daily charts, where we can see the price action in a lot more detail. So we can see on the 30th, we had a large red candle, followed by 3 green candles and a gap, which wasn't closed. And we broke the resistance of 219. We broke the resistance of 217.18. However, the next candle was a spinning top, closer to a gravestone kind of doji, but overall a bearish signal or a sign of indecision. So from the daily charts as well, we can see that although the RSI did cross the average, which is a bullish signal, we expect that there's a likelihood that the market goes up, but because of this, we're going to be extra safe and keep the resistance at 227.28 and keep the sell signal as a low. Since this is a spinning top candle, we do want to be sure, since it shows indecision, and therefore it's important to be safe and not take positions which will result in unnecessary losses. So that concludes my prediction for Tesla this week. And obviously, if there are any relevant changes, they will be covered on this channel. But for the most part, this is all, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.